Welcome to my ABC Kids. Let's learn, sing, and play every day.
Riding my bicycle round and round. Wheels are spinning, making that sound. Pedal fast, pedal slow. Watch me go, go, go. Handlebars straight, wind in my hair. Zooming past trees and teddy bears. Smiling big, I feel so free. Bicycle time is fun for me. Ring, ring goes the bell, let's ride far and wide. Through the park and by the stream, it's a rainbow ride. Left turn, right turn, pedal with glee. Riding a bicycle feels like flying to me. Up the hill I climb so high. Birds are singing in the sky. Down I go, we so fast. Zooming by, what a blast. Helmet on and shoes tied tight. Every ride it feels just right. Me and my bike, best of friends. Let's ride until the daylight ends. We wave to puppies, cats and deer. Riding together with a cheer. Through the puddles, splash, splash, splash. Laughing loud as we all dash. Ring, ring goes the bell, let's ride far and wide. Through the meadows, down the slide, it's a bumpy ride. Left turn, right turn, pedal with glee. Riding a bicycle feels like flying to me. Race with friends, it's super fun. Riding under the shining sun. Side by side we zoom and race. Happy smiles on every face. Stop at red, then green means go. Learning rules while we roll slow. Click, click, go the spinning wheels. That's how happiness really feels. Who's riding? I am. Word 2, bike jam. What sound? Ding, ding. Let's ride and sing, sing. Riding past the candy stand. Waving to friends with a free hand. Look at all the colorful kites. Sailing high like our hearts in flight. Ring, ring goes the bell. We've had a joyful ride. Through sunshine, clouds, and countryside. Left turn, right turn, singing with glee. Bicycle adventures for you and me. It's time to park, but don't feel blue. Tomorrow we'll ride again with fear. So wave goodbye and shout, yay! We'll ride our bikes another day.